If your videos are not getting any views in 2026, it means you are currently doing some of these mistakes I am going to be mentioning in this video. And that is why, of course, I am going to show you in this video some of the things that you shouldn't do and some of the things that you should do so that your video get the clicks and the views that you desire, so that you will be able to get the result that you want, whether it is watch time hours or whether it is your potential audience turning into subscribers. Hello you guys, and welcome back again to another time with me. On here I teach you how to grow here on YouTube and monetize and also smile to the bank. If you love content around that, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to tell me the next video that you would want me to teach you how to go about it, or probably a problem you are currently experiencing on the YouTube space that you would want me to talk about in the comment section. So yeah, let's dive right into the video. If you have been posting video consistently on the YouTube space but you get 0 views, you are definitely not alone, and that is because there are some mistakes that you are doing that you should stop doing, which I am going to be mentioning right now. Number 1 is going to be poor title and thumbnail. This is making your viewers not to click. Now, one thing a lot of people don't take seriously is their titles and their thumbnail. You cannot want views if your titles and your thumbnails are not optimized. Now, number 1 thing is your title is what a viewer sees that makes them to want to click on your videos, while your thumbnail is one thing that your viewer sees that wants them to click on your video, or that is going to make them to click on your videos. These two things are very important when it comes to viewership or getting views on your videos, because if it is not attractive, if it is not posing curiosity, if it is not grabbing the attention of your viewers, they are definitely not going to click your videos or watch your videos. So one thing you want to pay attention to is your thumbnail and your title. Make sure your title is having the keywords that is required to actually help your viewer to want to click the video. For example, making them know that if they click this video, this is something that they stand to gain. Okay, the next thing you want to also make sure to do is to make sure that you are creating a thumbnail that is very attractive and that is sparking curiosity. Thumbnail that is going to make your viewers want to click, as if they don't click the video, they are actually missing out on something. So that is 2 things that you want to do to also ensure that you get the views. I have also taught you how to actually create curiosity sparking thumbnail. I'm going to leave the link to that video in my description box, so you can actually check it out if you are finding it hard to create attractive thumbnail. The next thing is you are ignoring your SEO, and YouTube can find your videos. Now this one is just something that I just made mention of, but SEO is broad. It's not just titles and thumbnail. It goes down to your tags, it goes down to your hashtags, it goes down to your description box, it goes down to a whole lot of things. There are settings on the YouTube studio that you need to turn on and turn off. All of these settings help YouTube to understand who your videos are for, and then help the algorithm to recommend your videos to the right people. Because another thing might be the fact that YouTube does not understand your videos, and so they are not recommending it to the right people. And of course, if they are not recommending it to the right people, there is no way you will get views. If somebody is interested in musical videos and then your video that is talking about how to cook is popping up on their timeline, they definitely are not going to click on the video. So you want to make sure that you are optimizing your video so that the YouTube algorithm may be able to understand what your videos are for and who they are for, so that it will be able to recommend it to the right set of persons. Number 3 thing is the fact that you are not making a consistent kind of video on the YouTube space. There are a lot of persons that are not in a niche, right? They are not in a specific thing. Today they are uploading cooking videos, tomorrow they are uploading vlogs, next tomorrow they are uploading something else, and all of that. If the algorithm does not understand again who your videos are for, they are definitely not going to be recommending your videos at all, or even recommend it to the right persons. Just like the example that I gave, somebody that wants music video will not be clicking cooking video. Okay, so make sure that your videos are actually consistent. Your videos are in a particular niche and they are consistent. That way the algorithm over time is going to understand who your videos are for and the right people to actually take them to. Another thing you want to do is to make sure that your first 15 seconds are very engaging. A lot of the times, a lot of people will use the first 15 to 30 seconds of their videos to introduce themselves, which is something that you are doing very wrong. Make sure that your first 30 seconds is going straight to the point, telling your viewers what they are about to see or the kind of problems that you are about to solve for them. That way you are definitely going to get an engagement. You are going to get a viewer actually watching your video till the end or even clicking through your video. Another thing you want to consider to do is when you are optimizing your video for search, you want to make sure that you are optimizing with the right keywords that are relating to your channel, keywords that are relating to the video that you created, keywords that are relating to whatever it is that your channel or your video is about. Now this is very important because of course if people search on the search engine of YouTube, they want to be able to type in something that is going to link to your video and come out or bring your video out. Now you cannot achieve this if you are using random keywords. Make sure that your keywords are relatable to whatever it is that your audience may decide to type or decide to look out for on the platform. Another tip is going to be that you should be in a niche. A lot of people don't want to be in a niche. People want to just create content randomly, and this is not something that works on this space. You want to make sure that you are in a niche because it's easy for you to target the right people. It's easy for you to create the right content. It's easy for you to create the right videos that set of persons are actually looking for, right? And if you do this, definitely the right set of persons are going to come and consume your content. I hope this video has been able to help you. If it has, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any trouble growing or your channel here, let me know also in the comments. If you want me to do any video for you, let me also know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, you guys. Do not forget to like, share, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.